Hey there! Is being a world-class lash artist for you?
A lash artist? Kind of random, but maybe.
Since 2006, Minkys has been leading the way, training the world's top lash artists to become their own successful bosses.
Okay, well, how am I gonna do that?
Well, let's see.
Whoa, how did I get here? This is cool. So this is how they do it. I could definitely do this.
Do you like making people feel beautiful?
You know, I actually do.
Are you artistic, creative, or detail-oriented?
I've been told that, yeah, but I don't have the ability to just teleport here every day for training.
Now with the new Minkys Online Institute, learn how to lash in the convenience of your own home.
Oh, this is cool. Learning from home totally works for me.
Would you like to be your own boss and set your own schedule?
Is this my own studio? My own studio?
Some of our lash artists make over $100K in their first year. Could you handle that?
Could I handle that? I'd love to handle that.
In as fast as 2 weeks from the comfort of your home, you can complete our training and be ready to start your own lash business.
Now that is doable for sure.
Are you ready to be a boss babe? Well then, now's your time to be a Minkys boss babe. Sign up with the new Minkys Online Institute and get started on becoming your own boss babe right now. For a limited time, get your home starter kit for 50% off. Only $199 while supplies last.